All right, so here's a look at this pan by Prestige. So this is gonna be a high pressure cooking pot. You can see that this is the deep 5-liter version, and it also is gonna have a deep lid on it as well. So this is gonna be great for pressure cooking things like meats that need to be braised. A lot of Indian dishes are gonna need a pressure cooker, and they also have other sizes as well. So if you just need a small one, they've got a 3-liter, and then if you need a larger one, I think they also have a 7-liter. But like I said, this one's the 5, and I feel like this one's perfect for a family of 2 to 5 people. Right here, it's got this rubber gasket up here on the top, which is really gonna help to compact everything in and make sure that nothing is getting out. And you could also see when I put this on here, the way that it works is you're gonna press it down and then you slide this across and it's going to essentially snap into place. And now you can see that it is airtight and there's nothing that's gonna come out. It does have these little pressure relief valves up here at the top, and it's also gonna come with this handle that goes on top. All of these parts are replaceable. Because Prestige is such a old, well-known brand, they've been around so long and people use these for all types of things. You're able to buy replacement parts. So if you do happen to lose certain pieces, you can easily grab them. The whole thing is built so well. You can see that it's got a thick double plastic handle right here. It also has another handle grip over here on the side, and the bottom is going to be weighted, which makes it really nice for cooking so that nothing spills over, falls over, or anything like that. It's just a really well built pressure cooking pan that you're able to use for so many different recipes. If you're someone who's looking to pressure cook, then the Prestige pressure cooking pot is a must have, and I would highly recommend it.